願わくばこの功徳をもってあまねく一切に及ぼし、我らと主上と皆共に仏道上善こと、南無妙法蓮華経。Thank you very much. You offered the incense to all the Buddha in the whole universe, in the past, present, and future world. When you put the little rock to the pond, that wave, become larger and larger. That, endlessly larger, become larger and larger. Just like that. Your very tiny good conduct influencing the everything and everybody in the world. World, it must be one. That is your world. Each one has their own world. When your mind is pure, world become pure. When your mind is defiled, world become defiled. Just like that. Mind and world are same thing, one thing. No difference at all. Thank you very much.